Martin. I'm telling you, but just loving yourself. I mean, value yourself, think highly of yourself. You know, you're very important. Hashtag, I'm a big deal.
I come, entertainment.
Morning, people. Walk one with them. I'm out here early in the morning, at like 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm in our work. My car needs fixing, so I am on my way to the parts shop to buy parts. That's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. Like, I'm gonna be broke when I'm done. Because I need winter tires, 4 of them, brake pads, all kind of stuff my father said I need to get my car nice and ready, running smoothly for the winter. So, thank you all. Oh, music in the background, bad. Thank you all. Welcome back to Really Tired's Life. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, I hope you enjoyed my videos. Don't forget to, you know, hit that subscribe button, you know, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel. Anyways, so on my way to the parts shop, like I said, and then to the garage. So let's go spend all my money, all my paycheck. Anyways, me talk to you later. We going back to the music. If I could be with you, only you. This is my bill after picking up all of them parts. There, go there. Well, so we're gonna fix the car. We reach our garage, as y'all can see. Let's get ready for a long ass day. Cause now in the garage, you did it all day, and on top of that, before you leave, they might tell us that something else need fixing. But anyways, that's how my father stay and do this to me all the time. But me gonna go on, you know, cool it. So me talk to you. Me tired this day. I sleep more. I sleep. I got my bed till 2 o'clock this morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock this morning. How much sleep did I get? 5? Yeah, 5 hours. And I gotta go to work tomorrow. Anyways, we'll talk later.
Yeah, I made it. Hey, that girl last yesterday, I'm easy. Your paparazzi. Yeah?
Thank you. Good morning. Me, I watch you for a long time, you know.
Yeah, you couldn't put your hand just now, I'm coming, sir.
No, come. Me
Never see that.
didn't want to watch you. Me didn't want to spy upon you.
Oh my God, that paparazzi. You may play some cartels.
Me here.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for breakfast this morning.
Alright. Well, you was here, so that's good. Like the jacket.
Me know, me see you going here. Me, you just dress up today.
Man, that's what I like this. So one jacket that I go buy. H&M buy everything.
Okay.
And them have the, and them miss right now.
Have a decent stuff.
Good fashion. Yeah, I'm going to find the next good fashion store. I don't know. When next fashion store we can.
I don't know if you buy man clothes.
I'm going to go, but mostly for women.
Okay.
When you Marshall, you find some nice easy wear in there.
Yeah, in there so you will find something.
Sneakers.
Yeah.
I told me a guy December.
Watch out.
Well, yesterday I buy 1 pullover and 2 pants. Every day I buy it. The day before I buy some, I buy 5.
You where am I going without here? Listen to this. Listen out here. When my father there, from morning me come here.
And wash with that salt water again to blow.
And this in here I do instead of fix my carrier in here pick peas.
You know, if you get food.
I don't care about no peas.
You feed them. Hey, you know, so me buy one of them earring at the blood clad. When them just are popping up peewee. You see me go Jamaica peewee. Everybody make me, you see after that peewee. You see after the 90s, everybody have your one girl buy for me for 300 US, you know. First time I give me buy her, she buy it at the Royal Jewel store.
Okay. Yeah. I need my car fixed and look what go on here. Oh yeah.
Let me last me earring, you know.
Garage to fix my car and this is what my father do. I pick peas.
And a beer, I go to buy 2 cigarettes.
Thank this, you know. Hey.
So more life, more money, more life, more life. No more life, no more strife, more life. Food, more touch, more touch, more life, more life, more life, more strife, more life. Them want me dead, me still living. So bad that, they can't keep it. It just begin. Could have been early, great begin. We know nobody miss me. Maybe do the missing, and you reminiscing. Antique kissing, we have had a Renaissance begin.
That's the shit. When you have to play, we still be big begin. More life, more money, more wife, more life. No more leg, no more strap, more life. More life, more money, more wife, more life.
Daddy, going up some more. You have holy pass space. Come back.
Yeah, the split flange and put over it. Buy one split flange and try.
So my muffler have one hole,
Then you buy next one.
2 hole. Look like some I'm gonna need a new muffler.
So I want to buy a split flange for that first. Well, we'll try something with that first, Santi.
Okay.
This right here, because of the gas tank right here, this is not for well enough. This will take out. You can show it.
Right now.
This need a...
My man there make fun of my daddy. You ever make fun of my daddy? So my car come out of the garage. Nothing no get done. The only thing they do I put on front brake and I have one whole muffler to fix. And I have one whole something another mount to fix. And my daddy has send me go back at the shop, back at the parts shop again. And now look. Remember say me never did a drive me. No, I never care about the car. Can my bike I did I do it for summer?
Then you should have fixed the car already.
And look, take it other car gone.
You should have fixed the car.
So now me say, let me tell you what I go happen.
Let me tell you on the sit.
No, let me tell you.
You're going like you know what me spend on a loop money. That you do. Yeah.
No.
Video me.
Let me tell you what I go
you're going like you know what me. Look at your money now. You're going like you know what me spend loop money. Can loop money can't give me fix the car. Simple. Yes. Thank you.
No, but not that. Me don't try to tell you. What me don't try to tell you say is that me never did go fix the car. Me dey go get one new car.
Yeah, buy a new car and dash you, eh?
And that me dey go do
then
but.
That your daddy a wait pan. Me ain't count pan if it's true, you know.
No, that me dey go do
say, me and daddy count pan if it's true.
Me said to myself, say next year me buy one new car and fix this up so my kids them. Because my kids them go drive next year. They need something to
your
start.
daughter drive now, my car. After she like the Honda she drive now. She like
probably
it, buy one.
She probably does. She love anything nice.
Buy no, man.
What this a carrier for my daughter?
This.
Where me forget the money from? You know, hear me say me need an upgrade.
Make Luke spend the money, man.
Me need an upgrade, and then them can start that.
Where man live?
And a good start car
man
that for
live
them.
no foot, man. Then fuck everything up their money. When you go and pack up in suitcase, you have a fucking thing.
I'll go up.
Them have the in a car box and sit and go up.
Yeah, that's why I'm buying food. You buy
Buy
all
me,
like
cut out me off a video.
In buy. I'm still there, garage.
200 for your bomb clot, 200 for man. You tell them we have blood clot about 200. You must have bomb clot, man.
And then you buy one of them.
420 for one of them bomb clot.
I deal them at our dealer price.
Dealer which part?
I
Dealer
deal
where?
price matter.
Run around them, I tell him about Pee-wee. 420 for full deal.
They might have tire war. A tire war this. Michelin tire and
no, seriously, you know. A 420 for them, let me take you out, you know. I tell you, tough for interview. Not for mention Sizzla. Those man tough for interview.
Well,
when you come on to interview.
What's up, big hamper now, you know?
Yo, my girl. Paul, shit.
So it's a new day. I'm gonna come back at the garage again. And as usual, me there hours ago, and my father can't look for my car yet. But think over this upon other people's car. And from when me they here. And the Rasta man over there so can't do nothing to help me. So, it's gonna be another long day here. Yes. Where my car may go? Oh. If anybody want winter tire, how kind of tire? You have to tell me about the tire. 215, 65 R16. Can we go in for that? Let me see if we can go in for the seat there. How much would the tire them? How much would the tire them? And a Michelin
X Ice.
Michelin X Ice. Okay? So, if you now watch my channel and don't want tire, I'm at the garage when they have me come here, wait all the time to get service. Tire down here. 4 winter tire, right? A winter tire them, eh? Oh, this is what you call this a part? What you call this? A traction.
Yeah, 98%.
98%. Percent what? Oh, new. 98% new. Yeah. How many times? How long you drive with it for?
40.
Okay. And it's good.
40.
So, you use it only for 4 days, and then you change it because. How come you change the tire after 4 days? What you do?
They put on some new rim.
Oh, so you have to change the tire them to match. Oh, can you get the little maga rims them?
No.
The little maga tire them?
No, they're not maga.
So little maga tire.
We change them and put on sport rim for the tire.
Oh, sport rim. Oh, you think of it sporty. You know, me think of it sporty, you know.
The camera can't change. I they want 2015 camera, they have them for them.
Okay.
Toyota rim them, you know.
So you sell them here too?
Yeah, man, them are winter mat, man.
You can't sell them to me?
Under them, man.
Oh, they're too big for me car.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they're too big.
Under them, have to go in, man.
But I get some new. I need mat like this car for me with them a class.
Yeah, man.
They're no good.
And they may have to take on sale.
How much
you want? $500 feet tire.
Okay, so $500 fee tire them.
4 and they pan rim.
4 tire for 500, then they pan rim already. Balance and everything. A mechanic can sell it, so them alright. Why you never sell them tire to me for my car?
Them too high.
Them too big, eh? You feel tire them huge.
They were 65.
No. Yes, they were.
Your rim, your tire was 65.
Yeah, but they were R15. They're R15. Okay.
Take a picture of this. Honda car, winter. Tell them.
Find somewhere go buy. So my tires are finally coming off. A second day here at the garage. I'm putting my winter tires on. My new tires are right there. Could they? Me tell you, say when you come my shop, there's always another problem. Me come here and me brake light now work over here, so could they? So now they might try to fix it now. Hey guys, so I am back in the car. Me leave a garage. As y'all can see, all the job wasn't done. My father, treat me like a regular customer. My job can't Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. My day's done. I'm going home. I go home go make some liver boiled dumpling because I that me feel like eat. I'm gonna eat that in a very long time. So my body needs that right now. So I'm gonna go home, make that, chill out for the day. I like 3 o'clock now. Me there the garage from what 10 o'clock this morning. So I'm headed home. No, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. So I'm headed home and I'm gonna go back to the garage again on Saturday. My dad said to come back on Saturday so I can get the other stuff done. And yeah, so not much to say right now except me feel kind of drowsy. I'm still in that garage all day. I feel kind of drowsy, but sorry for the noise. I'm turning and my indicator is noisy. So yeah, so I'm gonna head home, make my liver and things, and call it a day. I need to clean my bedroom, so I need to do that. Or maybe I can do a cleaning video. What do y'all think? Do a cleaning video? Cleaning up my mess that I've made. I'm not a messy person. You have moments, you know, when you just don't feel like doing anything. And I had that moment all week this week where I didn't feel like picking up my shit in my bedroom, and it's all good, but it's in my bedroom, right? Nobody go up there except me. My nosy daughter who always in my things them, but it's in my bedroom, so it's not in the front of the house. You just gotta make sure your entrance and your main floor is clean at all times. But anyways, so I am headed to Walmart because as y'all can see, my brake light decided to say it's not gonna work now. So my dad changed the main one, the base of the car. I don't know if there's a name for it, but the one that's on the very top back there in the mirror, in your rear mirror, that one, he didn't have a bulb for that. So I'm headed to Walmart now to go and pick up a bulb, which is just this little guy right here. Just this little guy right here. Probably not gonna cost me much, but I'm headed to Walmart to pick that up, to change that. I'll probably show you guys while I do that. So maybe I won't end the vlog here, but it will be ending today. Anyways, I'm at Walmart in about 2 minutes. So I'll catch up with you guys in Walmart. We'll talk later. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for my new subscribers. People, and this is my album must reach 500 subscribers. I know hurry up and get me there. Anyways, me talk to you later. Okay, so earlier I said I got Walmart. Can you explain to me why I got Walmart go pick up bulb? Maybe them have it in there, you never know. But I'm supposed to be going to Canadian Tire. Oops. I actually turned into Walmart. I'm supposed to go Canadian Tire and get the bulb. So anyway, so I turn around. Because Canadian Tire, they're like 2 minutes away from Walmart. So I go back to Canadian Tire and get the bulb. I don't know why I thought I was going to Walmart. I love Walmart too much. At least once a week me there at Walmart. But not today. Okay, so let's go to Canadian Tire and get this bulb. I don't know why I thought I was going to Walmart. Anyways, we'll check in with them later. Okay, so we're back in the car. We buy the bulb. Can we make sure it's right side before we left the parking lot? Let me make sure it's right. They look right, eh? See? They're right. They're perfect. I'm a good picker. Anyways, so the package come with 2, and it cost me $7.33. With taxes, it cost me $7.33. So let's go in the back and change this light. Okay. Is it okay to leave the car on while I do this? Yeah, I think you'll be fine, Latoya. Let's make sure this thing is working. I can't see if it works, so don't tell me if it work, okay? I'm gonna check if it work. Mechanic. Me a mechanic now. Me a mechanic now, people. And I see that? And I see it light up. Okay, now we gotta get it back. Like, now we gotta get it back in here. Inside this thing. Job done. Okay, a job well done. So my mechanical hands have fixed the light fixture. Anyways, me done putting the light. My light at work now. Thank you, Jesus. And now I'm going to head home. So I'm officially ending the vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't you forget to tell a friend and another friend and another friend and your family and your sister and your cousin and your auntie to come watch my YouTube channel, because Really Taya is, you know, is life. She's the bomb. That's how I feel about myself. I know how y'all feel, but I know how I feel. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my experience today at the garage. This is what my life is about. But anyways, like I said, my channel is called Really Taya's Life. It's as real as it gets. This is it. This is my life. It's real. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all in the next video/vlog. Don't know what I'm coming with, because you know I'm recording, I'm posting according to how my life is going, because I ain't trying to make shit up, you know. It's just real. This is what I am. This is what I do, who I am. And I'm just rambling now, so yeah, I'm hungry, my mouth feel dry. I need to go find something to eat. Anyways, I go and go make my liver. Anyways, people, my car go on. Saturday, I head back to the garage again to go finish the rest of the work, because I have to come in parts, because my father doesn't treat me like a regular customer because I ain't paying. So I gotta go when he wants me to come. But it's gonna be for free, not getting in the way of him making his money. Okay, anyhow, I don't know what I'm gonna do when my dad leaves and go to Jamaica. Can somebody find me a new mechanic when my dad leaves and decide he's gonna spend months and months in JA, because that's all he wants to do is spend months and months in JA? Somebody let me know who's going to take care of my car when my daddy gone. I have to go sleep on this tonight. I need to figure my life out. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. It's Really Taya's Life. Come back for the next video. Bye bye.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal.
I come.
Ask anybody, boy. I'm a big deal. You're my friend, I'm a big deal.